Okay. Today, Johnny, my man, how are you?
Good, man.
Johnny, you know what we're doing today? Of course you don't. Today's kind of a special day. We're gonna meet up with two very special subscribers. We're gonna treat them to lunch. Right now, they're waiting at the Tribuco General Store. We're running a little bit late, so if you guys are watching this, I'm really sorry. About today, man. These guys have been with this channel for a while. Big supporters. Patreons at that. Extra appreciative. I can't wait to buy those dudes some lunch, whatever they want. Hopefully they want a cheesesteak. I'm really feeling a cheesesteak. Damn it. Got a horrible aim. I don't have much faith in these poppers, to be honest. Hey, sir. For those of you guys that are new to the channel, welcome. If you aren't sure yet, Suburban Delinquent is a motorcycle food friend experience. We have a good time on this channel, man. Hope you remain with us throughout the duration of this video. For those of you returning, welcome back. You know what we're about. Today I'm riding a 2008 GSX-R 750, and that car was awesome. And Johnny's riding his pristine Yamaha FZ09. While I'm stuck behind this car, give a little love to the Patreons. Thanks for the support. You guys are the best.
TrickWonders.
Thanks for coming out, man.
Thanks for inviting us.
Oh, yeah, man. Well, you guys want to get soda or anything?
Sure.
What, do you get a new car? Yeah. He's got no back window in that thing. You guys want to check Bob?
No, check his wee-wee. That's what I meant.
Bob's a little light today.
Break yourself.
Is there anything behind the counter? Yeah. All right. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, check this out. This is awesome. Oh, marine coin. That's cool, man. I'll definitely cherish that. Thank you for posting videos. I've not been able to ride for a few years because I wasn't allowed to out of country. Thanks for filling that void. Appreciate that, Ron. Yeah, I'll cherish that coin, man. Thanks for coming to see Bob. We're gonna buy everybody some sodas with this, right? Yeah. Everybody gets a soda. And then what else? Tea tree. Oh, this is good. Thanks, Max. Throttle therapy. All right, sweet. Thanks for the sticker, man. Put that somewhere for sure. Sub D. Out here from Chicago. Love your vids. The reason I finally got a street bike. Repsol Ryan. Very cool. Thanks, Repsol Ryan. Thanks for all you guys coming out to support Bob and the channel. You guys all mean a lot to me. Thank you. And we'll definitely pay this forward. Johnny, what are you getting? All right, all right. Let's eat. I mean, drink. What's up, man? Excuse me. What's going on, guys? How are you?
Great, yourself?
Great.
Pleasure to meet you, man. This is my friend Emily.
Hi, Emily. Nice to meet you.
How's it going? We met once before a while ago.
Right on. Yeah, you look familiar. What's up, man? How are you?
Good, man. Wow,
good.
Are you doing... Perfect.
I love it. Can I buy you guys a soda?
That would be great, actually.
Yeah, let's go. Whatever you guys want. Thanks.
Awesome, man. So nice of you. Thank you so much.
Oh, dude. Pleasure to meet you guys, for sure. It's your guys' day. What are we eating? You want steak. I already know that. Yeah. And you don't give a shit.
Yeah, I just eat whatever.
Just do Outback. Yeah, let's go to Outback. Dude, we got a good group, man. Thought it was just gonna be the brothers. No, man. Got a big group now. Direct hit. trying to beat me with a white line. That's alright. That's alright. Alright, let's go. I think I won that one. Never know what's gonna happen when I go and see Bob. Look at this, man. Going to lunch with a big group. Alright, maybe we'll pass you guys around a little bit. Welcome back. You okay? Outback. Pleasure, dude. Thanks for coming out, man. Happy to hang, man.
Yeah, definitely. It was a
Good to see you.
Thank you again for the soda.
All right, man. Take care.
Great meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Later on.
Sometimes.
For sure. Pleasure. Thanks for supporting me for so long. It means so much to me.
And I'll continue doing it.
It's definitely appreciated.
Alright.
So I have one of your shirts that I wear every now and then.
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel? You want to shout out your YouTube channel?
Well, my YouTube channel is TrickWonders. I try to ride with a lot of people,
Yeah.
but mostly ride by myself. But I talk random stuff.
Check him out, man. I'll have a link to his channel in the description of the video. All right. Well, again, man, thanks for coming out.
Thanks for having us.
Let's do it again, right?
For sure.
Today couldn't have gone any better. So unexpected. So happy to meet so many people. It's a good time connecting with you all. I've been dedicating my videos to people in groups lately, so this one I'm gonna dedicate to all you guys, man. All the people watching this video. Obviously, this one's for you. Thank you. Thanks for giving me a platform. Much love to the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. Your name's on the screen right now. I want you to know you're extra special to me. Thank you. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Got some fun stuff happening there. I do have another channel. It's all dirt bikes. We have fun there too, that's for sure. Please support the companies that support the channel. All I ask, give them an opportunity to earn your business.